Have you ever wondered how to reach your entire community without needing to know every single address? With Every Door Direct Mail, or EDDM, you can do just that. It's a simple, effective way to get your message directly into the hands of your neighbors without breaking the bank. Let's talk about how EDDM works and why it might be the perfect tool for your independent agency. First, EDDM is a cost-effective way to target local prospects. Instead of paying for a mailing list, you choose specific zip codes or carrier routes, and the Postal Service delivers your message to every home on that route. Whether you want to introduce yourself as the local insurance expert, highlight available coverage options, or remind clients about policy renewals, you can target specific neighborhoods where your potential clients live. Flexibility is another great feature. You can customize your mailers to highlight specific services, whether it's auto, home, or life insurance, or simply build your agency's brand. A well-designed mailer with a clear call to action can grab attention right away. By including your website, phone number, or a QR code on your mailer, you can drive traffic directly to your website or get the phone ringing. If you're looking for walk-ins, a well-timed EDDM campaign can invite clients to your next event or promotion. EDDM is a simple but powerful tool to keep your agency top of mind in the community without needing to break the budget or overcomplicate your marketing. And one more thing. Before you launch your EDDM campaign, check with the U.S. Postal Service for the latest guidelines and requirements. It's a simple step that ensures your mailer gets delivered smoothly and reaches your audience.